I want you to ask yourself, when was the last time you allowed yourself to truly rest? When was the last time you allowed yourself to take in the moments for what they were and to truly just live in the moment, to embrace rest? Rest is a four-letter word that is so difficult for so many of us to do. In the world where there's just constant barrage on social media to go, to do, to keep going, to keep moving forward, oftentimes we forget to simply rest. There's something so very important about resting, allowing our bodies to relax, allowing our minds to take a break from all of the hustle and the bustle of the world. But why is it so difficult for us to rest? I am extremely guilty of just doing and going and trying to be everything to everyone. And I oftentimes forget how important it is to rest. There's so many benefits to resting. It's important for our minds. It's important for our mental health. It's important for the health of our bodies. It's important so that we can keep going and doing and being the person that we want to ultimately be. But oftentimes we forget to just rest. Why is it so difficult for us to allow our bodies to just rest, relax, and be in its natural state? It's something to be said about the constant thought of just having to be doing something. Does it mean that we aren't truly happy with who we are? Does it mean that, we haven't accomplished enough? No, it doesn't, but that's what the world wants us to believe. But it's so important to just breathe, take in those little moments, take time for yourself, allow your body to just settle down. What does resting look like for you? Is it reading your favorite book in the middle of the day? Is it writing in your journal? Is it taking a sip of your favorite tea or coffee in the middle of the afternoon, or having a late night snack? Rest is so many different things to so many different people. But whatever it is, allow your bodies to experience rest. I'm guilty, especially this time of year. At the beginning of a new year, we're all talking about how we're working towards our goals and how we're just pushing forward and doing every single thing that we can to set ourselves up for a successful year. And oftentimes we forget to embrace the season of rest. In order to truly be successful, you have to allow your bodies time to just relax and rest. Maybe it's curling up with your favorite blanket and watching an episode of Housewives or whatever reality TV show that you like, or your favorite Netflix show. Or is it burning your favorite candle? I know that's one of my favorite things. I really enjoy burning candles. It's just something about the aroma that fills a room when you're lighting that candle and then blowing it out. Maybe rest is just sitting in the quiet, this enjoying the sounds of nature. But whatever it is for you, just make sure that you allow your bodies to experience rest. Don't forget to embrace the quietness that is your life, because there's enough of stress to go around for every single person. So when you have time, when you have those quiet moments, embrace it for what it is. Take it in. Because that rest period is the thing that's what's going to truly set you up for success in the years to come. So the next time someone asks you, when was the last time you allowed your body to rest? Have an answer for them. Rest.